The last part, the last line is like this. Vetri Mamail, as usual, you take your left leg. Vetri Mamail, Eru Kanda, do this. Then take your right leg back, hands on the hip, towards on your left. Knee, Avalum, right and left. Knee, Avalum. Bring it forward, as usual, the right leg forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nirkaile, you are going to show like this. From here, take it. Nirkaile, Sokkaile. With your right leg. Sokkaile. From here, Nirkaile, Sokkaile. For the last part, you are not, after this, you are not going to do the Abhinayam. I mean, you are not going to move. You are just going to stand here. Sokkaile, Pakkatile, Irundhen Swami. Only the eye movements. Okay, do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You look at him and your face, you have to express the sadness, the disappointment. I was standing there only. You didn't even look at me. It's like that. Look at him and then you will say that. Okay, you will express, like as if you're saying these lines, you will express that. Then after this, for the last part, while finishing, he's trying to convince you. So all this has happened. You are asking who was that lady, you are trying to argue with him. You don't want to talk to him. And finally what happens? He tries to convince you. That's what usually happens, right? So the guy tries to convince you. So you're standing like this. Suddenly he pulls your hand. You are asking him to leave. How will you do that? As if someone is pulling your hand. You may see from here, as if someone is pulling, you have to take it. Then try to do like this to free your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take his hand away. Okay, you get it? So it is from here. Don't pull my hand, leave my hand. It's like that. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever you say, please don't say anything. Keep your mouth shut. I do want to hear, and then you sit down and finish the song. Okay. So it is, what will you do? 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, he's saying something. 1, 2. Whatever you say, 1, 2. Don't say. Please keep your mouth shut. Don't say anything. He keeps telling, he keeps talking to convince you. So, you turn this side. When you turn this side, you are going to take your right leg away from him. He is on your right side. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Then you sit down after you take your right leg. 1, 2. Then you take your left to sit. Sit down on your right knee like how you started. And keep this hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You must sit in this angle, left diagonal angle, whereas this knee must be visible, this knee must be visible, this hand must also be visible. You cannot turn so much like this, but then you will do it like this. And you will finish it there. Okay, let's do the last part. last part one more time. Okay, you all understood the last part? Okay, let's do from the beginning then, the whole thing. Start. Your right knee must be down. Left hand over your elbows. You sit like this, right, when you are sad. But you cannot sit like this here. You will sit like this. But don't literally rest your chin on this. This is just a gesture. Keep it here. And after you sit, do one thing. Just look at him once and then turn so that it will look very nice. Okay. So you go forward like this. Then sit down. As you sit, look at him. Look at him in disappointment. Then you sit down. That's it. Okay. So we finished a padam in almost like 3 weeks. Very good. This is a very beautiful padam, not in terms of the content, but in terms of the abhinayam. You can show a lot in this padam, right? You show many things. You show your friends, you show taking water. We have used lots of abhinayam in this padam specifically. In other padams, we don't get to use so much of abhinayam. Here we have used lot of scenarios showing the evening time, showing lot of stuffs. Okay, so all clear with this padam? Okay. So it is one of your markam. You know, you will have to learn 9 items, right, for a markam. This item is one of your markam. You can keep it for your Arangetram markam.
Teacher, can I ask you something?
Tell me.
This item, the female is always expressing disappointment in the male one, right?
Yeah.
Can we take it as anger?
The last part is anger. When don't hold my hand. No, you don't hold my hand. Don't say anything. No, whatever you say, I don't want to hear. Just stop talking anything. That is kind of anger. Then again, when you sit, when you show pakkatile, this one you cannot show anger as per the content, as per the context of the padam. You know, Murugan, Valli, Devanai, they all were you know, they were accepted by the people, right? 2 wives, it was accepted by the people. Of course, it shows disappointment for Valli. We cannot literally show anger in that. Let's keep it as disappointment. In some places you can show anger, like I said in the last place, don't hold my hand, don't touch me, don't hold my hand, that place. Or when you say pakkatile irundhen swami, it's like not literally anger and disappointment, it's a mix of that. I was standing there only. If she was angry, she would have confronted him in that place, right? Not the next day. So here what are we trying to say? Yesterday, last evening, I saw you with another woman, and who is that? So she's talking about yesterday. She's talking about a past thing. So you will have to express a lot of disappointment in this. Yeah, but again, in between we use lot of other abhinayams, like while you're showing it's a evening time, playing with the friends, taking water. During those times, you keep your face very nicely. You know, like literally when you walk, you fetch water from the river, then walk back, and when you play with the friends, you must have that happy face when you show all those. And suddenly, and also when you show love, you know, that girl's part, that lady came to you, she was gesturing to you, I saw that, those part and all, you must show different abhinayam. And finally, when you go, who is that person, it's like that. Okay, so you quickly have to change your expressions, but you all are doing good. I can see that you all are doing good. Keep practicing this. It can be a very awesome stage performance item, this one. When you do it on stage, you know, you will have to express in a way where people who don't know the story or people who don't know Bharatanatyam also must be able to understand. It must be that perfect. We do it one last time. After that, you all must make individual videos of yourself and you have to send it to me. Okay, I'll talk about that. Okay, now let's do it one last time perfectly from the beginning. Give your best Navarasa on face. Okay.
நேற்றந்தி நேரத்திலே நீராடும் கரைதனிலே நேற்றந்தி நேரத்திலே நீராடும் கரைதனிலே நெருங்கி உம்மை ஜடை காட்டி அழைத்தவள் யாரோ சுவாமி நேர்தந்தி நேரத்திலே நீராடும் கரைதனிலே நெருங்கி உம்மை ஜடை காட்டி அழைத்தவள் யாரோ சுவாமி நேரந்தி நேரத்திலே நீராடும் கரைதனிலே நெருங்கி உம்மை ஜடை காட்டி அழைத்தவள் யாரோ சுவாமி நேரந்தி நேரத்திலே நீராடும் கரைதனிலே நெருங்கி
Okay, very good, girls. Good, good. Very good.